It all went to shit. They killed that gorilla at the Cincinnati Zoo. The apes saw the true cruelty of man. They rose up. Now, we're living in a planet of the apes. I haven't been able to sleep at all since we've been living in the planet of the apes. I don't know how much longer I can take it.
I get it! Oh no! I can already hear their war music!
The apes are approaching!
I love this song so much.
Oh my God!
It's so great.
Look at them! With their cute little vests on and everything. No! No! We can't be distracted by how adorable their war is.
You're right.
But there's one that's playing cymbals while he's riding a unicycle.
Let me see. Oh my gosh.
He's carrying a machete.
No! We have to stay focused. All right?
You're right.
Oh my God. They're closer than we thought. Oh no. So many monkeys. What does the note say?
Find out.
Tell us.
It's a note wrapped around a banana.
You monkey. I see you, monkey.
And it's a actual picture of banana in crayon.
I've never been so scared in my life.
This must be some psychological tactic or, I don't know, something. Whoa. Wait a minute. Are you eating the intimidation banana?
I really need a potassium.
Oh, see,
Are the monkeys being hilarious again?
Yeah.
God damn it. Have you forgotten what we're fighting for? You don't remember? The monkeys destroyed our lives. I was there at Ground Zero when the monkeys took over the city. They were so organized and tactical. We didn't stand a chance. I remember my brother stayed back to try to fight them, but they shot him down without remorse. All while they just kept marching on, riding those tiny teacup pigs. I've never seen so many monkeys riding pigs in my whole life. And all the pigs were wearing little hats. One had a bowler hat. Another had a top hat. And the monkey leader's pig was wearing a Viking helmet.
How did they find those?
I mean, for the life of me, I can't even figure out where they got all those pigs and hats. But they were so goddamn adorable.
Betty. Your story is truly horrible.
Guys, they're getting closer. I even see one swinging on a miniature trapeze.
How close are they?
Well, they're almost free.
Oh, dear God! Danielle!
Eddie, it pulled the trigger with its feet.
Oh.
No! Don't do that. Oh my God! Goodbye, Danielle!
Nobody move a muscle. It might do something hilarious. Bobo! Want friend!
I'll be Bubba's friend.
Peter, what are you doing?
I'm gonna be Bubba's friend. Eddie, that's what I'm gonna do.
Don't do this.
No, look at his hat! It's adorable! I wanna go with him! I wanna go there! Don't do this, Peter! I'm your friend! Peter, don't do this! I'm your friend, Bubba! I'm your friend! Ah! No! Ah!
We have to help him!
We have to help him!
You gotta let him go! Let him go! Besides, he had a little adorable hat with the propeller! Bobo!